Hi guys, welcome back to Ching.sg. My name is Vincent here once again. Today we'll be touching on our Houseplant Tour Part 3. And just before we actually move on, I'll be touching a little bit further on the care of having pets as well as indoor houseplants. Recently, I have to actually help a friend to balance his pet a bit. His name is Guppy, in my own living space. So I actually had to do a bit of arrangement to how I actually place my indoor house plants and to make this whole living space much more pet friendly. So as you guys have probably known, some of the indoor plants, especially philodendrons, are actually poisonous to pets and to us as well. So I have to make sure that the new environment that I've actually created is actually much more pet friendly as well. Have a coffee and refill for seat. I need to start the day with a cup of coffee. So recently I've actually shifted the Tomatophyllums crucianum from the balcony to my front door because previously the environment was too harsh for the fruit plant. This is the Tomatophyllums crucianum. So I can tell that I guess this was the previous damage for the balcony. Is too hot for him. So right now there's the new leaf are sprouting pretty well. I mean, from the sun it's actually pretty not as harsh as the afternoon sun back in my balcony actually. You can see the pink and purple periwinkles are doing pretty well as well. Once you enter, you can see that there's actually much lesser plants in the meantime. Previously I have like plants all over the floor. I have a terrarium, but I actually shifted the plants from on the floor because it's actually much more easier for the bunny to actually access the plants or bite on them. So what I have currently is actually just plants. Actually, even though this is the lacy tree philodendron, it's actually on a stand. So to actually bunny proof, I guess the place would be to have plants on stands on little planters like these wicker baskets, so that they can't actually reach into the plants itself. So you can see I have actually most of the plants here are all in wicker baskets or in stands. And then the most important thing right now is my balcony. So previously I had a bit of this metal nettings here. I mean, not metal, it's actually cloth nettings, but the bunny actually managed to squeeze through. So actually DIY. I actually use the existing cage as the blockage to prevent the bunny from entering inside the prized balcony. Yeah. Bunnies are a bit like cats and dogs. They can be actually toilet trained. They're actually pretty smart actually. So I'm actually toilet training the Duppy right now. So I'm letting him run around the place and having a little bit more freedom. It's actually over here. Munching areas. So one important thing that I've actually done, I've actually like closed the doors of my place because especially this place here. This is my plant room. So currently this is where most of the plants are actually residing in the meantime. My favorite plant over here, which I can only enjoy in the plant room itself. And then the other plants, terrarium, monstera, the lacy tree philodendron. So this place is actually restricted from Duppy by closing the door. So previously I actually forgot about the little pond that I have at my balcony, so I shall touch a little bit more on it. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my balcony, and I'll touch on the pond in a little minute. So previously there was a bit of shifting of the plants that I have at the balcony. So right now the new residence is actually the yellow peacock flower tree. So previously it was at my front door, but now it has shifted over here where it's actually enjoying much of the sunlight, and it has had a bit of mini bugs issue, so I trimmed off most of its leaves. So as you can see here, these are actually the new the leaves that is sprouting right now. Some of the flowers that is still blooming, which I'm leaving for. Pretty little tree slash plant here. And then my herb garden, the parsley and the mint is not doing very well because of the strong sunlight. And over here you can see I've got an air plant, and then I've actually added some little plants here as well as the lemon palm. And then remember the little seedlings that I've placed here, they're actually sprouting finally. Amazing, right? I believe these are the lemon seeds, I guess. The lime or lemon, I can't really recall. I can't wait for it to actually grow out a bit more. Pretty happy. It took quite a while for it to sprout out. Okay, so this little pond here, there are actually fishes inside. I've shown you guys a couple of times. This is the water lily, water lettuce. This is the water, how do I call it? Yeah, I've actually named it down. It's growing so well. I've got two of it. And the dwarf peppers. This is growing. Then inside, there actually this plant here, which I have a water plant, Java ferns, as well as this plant. So you can tell that the water is pretty clear. Try and find the fishes. There you go. Hi.